You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of an amateur product review, a sales pitch, or one of those gimmicky product teardowns. Simple. Because when something's built right, it has a rhythm. It's smooth under load. It hits hard when it needs to. And it never sounds fake. Anyone can sell noise. We design and sell heavy-duty battery backup systems that absolutely rock. Whether you're providing backup power for the lights and sound system at a massive off-grid metal concert in the desert, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm, DIYsolar.com has got you covered. With the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service. We build our heavy-duty DIY battery backup systems using only the highest quality inverters, switchgear, and batteries available. Unlike the lightweight, high-frequency, transformerless units most companies push, our inverters are built around heavy-duty output transformers. That massive iron core provides dramatically higher surge capacity, exactly what you need to reliably start demanding inductive loads like air conditioners, power tools, refrigerators, and microwaves. The result isn't just better performance. Low-frequency transformer-based inverters also deliver significantly greater durability and a much longer service life than the fragile, high-frequency designs that unfortunately dominate today's market. This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand EVE Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, EVE Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, EVE has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide. EVE's LFP cells are known for exceptional reliability, long cycle life, and industry-leading safety. Their proven chemistry and precision manufacturing have made them a dominant force in the global energy storage market.